Hi, my name is Tabitha from Kenya. I'm here to thank Ali and the Forex Beginners Academy for allowing me to be part of the community. I remember when I started, when I heard about Forex trading, I bought an ebook. I read it actually, but I couldn't understand anything. So I decided to go on Facebook to look for someone who could teach me. That is where I found the Forex Beginners Academy, and I found Ali, and he started from scratch, from how to set up the MT4, how to operate the tools, to set up the tools, and how to everything, how they are used, everything. And then we went to trend lines, to Fibonacci retracement, to trend line and channels, all that. He taught me all that. Everything that is to be taught in Forex trading, he taught me. And also I thank him for allowing me to be part of the Facebook group, where we are able to post our charts and markups, and Ali is able to correct us and to give us feedback where we need to correct or where we have done well, and I'm here to thank him, and I pray that God may bless him. Amen.